Welcome back, and back to the solar system simulation, which is being designed using the AI ChatGPT o3 Mini. And quite a few people I know have been saying to me, "Oh, you haven't got it sun the right size." And I'll try and explain why that's actually quite difficult to do. Although, better programmers than me, or the AI, of course, could probably get this right. The people that design computer games and so on. But to illustrate this, I've put some slider controls in. I had this in anyway, really, before. This is the controls the month of the Earth. So you see that the Earth can move around depending on its position. So, that could be, let's see, summer in the southern hemisphere and over here. Oops. And it gets to the other side. It would be summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the winter in the summer hemisphere. Got that right way around, yeah. So I can change that. And now I can change the sun's radius. So what I had before on the second simulation is this. I've only got a 5:1 ratio of the Earth's diameter to the 1:5 from the Earth's diameter to the sun's diameter. It should be, wait for it, 109. So I think even, looking at this, you can see that if I do that, the sun's going to be so big you won't be able to see anything else. There's also another problem. If I make the sun bigger, it'll swallow up the Earth, which probably will happen at some point anyway in the future. But I'm going to, the other planets are still in Jupiter and Saturn. But anyway, let's increase the sun's radius and see what happens. So we're at 5:1. Now we're at 10:1. We can still see the Earth and the Moon there. We'll keep going. We'll go to 20:1. Now we can still see the Earth there and the Moon. You can begin to get an idea of the sheer size of the sun now, however. And let's see if I can move the Earth back into position. I don't know if I can. Oh, there it is. Now, when I move the Earth, of course, I should be moving the other planets as well, but I simplified it just to keep it simple. Let's go a bit higher. Let's go to, again, so this is 30:1. Can't see anything at the moment, so I'm going to zoom out. And we can still see there's that. I'm not sure if that's Mercury. Oh, looks like Venus coming around the side here. Can't see the Earth yet. This is 30:1. Remember, it should be 109:1. That's Mercury. Where the Earth is perhaps too far out to see at the moment because I'm not getting it. Should appear on the left hand. No, it's not appearing. So I'm going to zoom out. So there's Mercury. Oh no, that's. I'm not sure what that is. But it becomes harder to spot. They're so small now. Let's move this to the side. Is that Venus? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, here's the Earth. So that's 30:1. Let's make it to 50. So at 50:1. There we go. There's the Earth and the Moon. Our sun, of course, isn't one of the biggest suns at all. I think it's a relatively small sun. But that in turn means that it kind of burns for longer. At least the fusion reaction goes on for longer. I don't think I'll be able to get much bigger without swallowing up the whole. 50:1's not bad. But as I zoom out, it'll have other effects on the simulation. I won't be able to get the whole solar system. There it is. Let's move this. There's the Earth. Now let's move it, make it bigger than 50:1. That's almost 60:1. I just saw the Earth moving by. Let's move it. That's, I don't know which planet that looks like, Mercury, but I couldn't be sure. That tiny one there. See if I can get the Earth back again. There it is. There's the Earth, 111. Now can I go any higher? 70:1. See if it's hiding. Where is it hiding? The orbit goes out, it gets scaled obviously as I increase the sun, otherwise the sun swallows up the Earth completely. I think it should be, the Earth should be here somewhere. 6, but it might have disappeared. Be outside my view now. Let's try and zoom out. Oh, there's a planet. Tiny. And I don't know which one it is. It could be Venus or it could be Mercury. Hard to tell at this scale. Where is the Earth? The Earth's obviously outside the range. That's beginning to... I can't really see the Earth there, but I can see what looks like Mercury. That must be Venus. Here I can see that. That's 70:1 simulation. Oh, it's disappeared. That's out of range of the graphics thing. As you know, as I go in, the sun will disappear, so I can't do that. Anyway, that gives you a rough idea of the size of the sun. Oh, here we go again. There's I think it's Mercury, tiny little Mercury. Zooming around the sun, that's 70:1. If I keep going up to 100, I'll not see it. I mean, I can see the sun. Oh, what was that? I thought I saw. Got a pretty big screen here. This is a 55-inch monitor, I think it is. I'm running this on, so it looks absolutely fantastic. If you wanted a screensaver or something, it's absolutely brilliant. There's Mercury. Oh, there's the Earth. Almost 66. Oh, it's disappeared again. 66:1. Okay, thank you very much for that.